Is it that easy for these small businesses to raise the money through this system?
Let's put it this way. You do need audited financials for 2 years. You know, there are certain regulations you still have to be following, but you can now offer your opportunity to non-accredited investors, which opens it up really to the universe. And as I say, you know, coming from Shark Tank, I had people would call me and would say, hey, why didn't you invest in that particular opportunity last night? And everybody out watching television kind of wanted to be a shark. So,
right.
You know, it was kind of funny.
And we've seen, Kevin, already a bunch of crowdsourcing, Kickstarter kinds of things out there. Is this basically the SEC's answer to all of that?
You know, when you think about Kickstarter, people that have put money into Kickstarter, they didn't get equity. So now you have a chance to put money into something after you've gone through all the processes, and you now get a piece of the equity.
So this went live on Friday, just so people are aware. Literally last Friday, June 19th, this goes into effect. What can you tell us about what's happened over the weekend and since?
Well, there's a lot of activity, people wanting to know how can they do it. And so there's a couple things you have to do. Like I mentioned, you need to have audited financials, and you got to get approved also to
But to
make
get involved, you only have to download the app, is that right?
To get involved, are you talking
to
about
invest?
Are you talking about start?
To invest.
Okay, to invest. Well, you can't invest yet in a mini IPO Regulation A company yet. You've got to be approved by the SEC.
Bill?
I gather, are you investing in some of these IPOs, planning to, or you know, what
I do
role
plan
are you
to.
play?
I do plan to.
How risky are these things?
Well, this is the thing. As an investor, I still always look at the company, as they say, the jockey, but I look at even more than the jockey. I look at the team behind the jockey. Do they have operations, finance? Do they have money? Do they have capital to get started? And really, how is their company uniquely positioned in the market that they're going after? So you still have to look for the things that you look for as a solid investor would look for.